CapCut. First add eclipse. Uncut it. And also add song or funk you want. Like this. Add beats. Where is bass? Like this. And add the text, which is included in the funk. Go to animations. Select manifest. And select the font This Heaven. Do same to all texts. Add a black screen. Where is the text? End it on first beat. And set all clips according to beats. Like this. And make an overlay. How to make this? I tell you later. First add
video.
keyframes. And at the last of the clip. At the first keyframe, zoom it. At the last keyframe, dot is normal. Go to graphs. Select flow dos. Do same to all dot clips. Next, how to make this overlay. Freeze it. Set it overlay. Set and cut it in the last. Where is the dot beat starts? Like this. And delete the part. Expand it to 5 seconds. Add keyframes like this. Go to remove BG dot to cut out the car, only in the photo dot
Like this.
or video. And adjust like this at first keyframe. Drag it. At the last keyframe at normal center. Go to graphs. Add beat adjust like this. Add shake effect to make joint it interesting. Search shake. Adjust like this. Go to object. Add keyframes. Same do like this. Like this. And use halo blur effect. Search it. Select this. And also adjust it. And adjust keyframes like this. Duplicate it and apply to all. Do same to all clips. Export. Finally, your edit is ready.